Today we're in the Bond Design studio and we're starting a new project which we like to call Fifth Avenue Ranch. It's a beautiful ranch estate that we want to take up to the next level and kind of infuse it with like a New York penthouse vibe. Here's Perla. She's our bougie barn cat. She thinks she works here. She thinks she owns the place.
She does barn control at night and then rests during the day.
The first thing we've got to tackle with this project is the floor plan. To just open the space up more, to bring in more light. The house feels really dark right now. We've got like this sandstone creation that's covering the great room fireplace and some walls in the kitchen. That's the first thing like we want to demo and get rid of. We've got to change the floors.
Yes.
We have like a cork flooring throughout. We don't love it. So we're gonna put in some beautiful walnut floors. We've been working on some mood boards and we've got some of our samples here to just show you and help you to catch our vision. We've got in here a great room. The fireplace is going to be an amazing black and white marble. We're gonna do it in a stepped detail. It's going to be a major piece of art. It's gonna be amazing.
I think we played off jewel tones that feel really rich and sophisticated, also heavy fabrics like wool and really fun textures and shapes with the patterns. It makes you feel like you're going back in time, but with a modern twist.
Also geometric, which kind of takes it a little bit more modern. And we definitely need to change the layout of the kitchen. The kitchen right now has 3 islands and doesn't work very well. It's not very functional. And so we want to do like one big massive island with a gorgeous slab. This whole house is about slab.
A little bit of curvature.
Yeah, we're gonna opt for no bar stools.
I love having a circular place to eat because I feel like it's more communal.
So we're creating a formal dining area and a casual dining area.
Yeah.
This mood board is kind of showing our vision for the sunroom. In that sunroom, we have a black and white mosaic floor, kind of just pulling back to that modern touch. This kind of creates a border for this tile, which makes it look almost like a rug. We gotta talk about this butler's pantry though. Right now in the house, it's just like this little room that's dark. We're going to open it up and put glass doors, but we want these doors to look historic. So we're gonna do some custom walnut doors that are different. To keep it from feeling too heavy, we're going to do some brass and glass upper shelving instead of upper cabinets. The mudroom, laundry room. Right now the house, it's like 2 different rooms.
Dark.
Yeah, dark
Small.
and narrow and just these long kind of like skinny rooms. We're gonna bust that open. I just think those rooms are so cool when they're one big space instead of separating them. It just creates a room that's a little more multi-purpose. And then we're gonna have a central island, which I think will be great. We're also gonna hide the washer and dryer.
I'm so excited about that part.
We're gonna hide them. We're gonna put them behind cabinets. This mood board over here is showing concepts for the master suite. We're opening up a little bit more in the master bathroom too, so that the shower feels grander and that whole thing's gonna be slab, like Calcutta turquoise, which is honestly is the first slab that we found for this house.
Yes, we were so excited about it.
We like it so much we're putting it everywhere. I definitely think it kind of was like our spark. We're also doing something kind of fun on the ceiling in the primary suite. We're gonna do this wallpaper, which is gonna give dimension, kind of has a suede feel to it too. It'll just be really luxe. Yeah. It's a very eclectic home. The historic with the modern, the saturated with the serene, creates a lot of interest. Who says a ranch has to be Western?
Or mountain-like.
Or mountain.
Yeah.
We can make it whatever we want it to be. So we've got some really fun things planned for this house. We're excited to share it with you. Hopefully you'll be as excited about it as us.